Wanna deploy your website or a project online totally free and in just one videos I'll show, and then watch this video till the end because I'll show you the easiest way to do it. No coding, no server, and no credit card. Now imagine this: you spend a day building your dream projects, and the UI clean and the code run perfectly, and you are finally ready to show it your friends, maybe including your internships applications. Okay, but when they ask for a link, and all you can say is, oh, it's still on localhost. I have not deployed it, but it sound like familiar, right? Okay, so don't worry, we are not alone. Today I'll show you how you deploy any website, means full stack, like front end, back end, full stack, min stack, and mon stack. Okay, you deploy any project or website totally free, 100% free, no server, no complex setup, no credit card required, and do it in one single video. Okay, so just drop your project file, and your project deployed in just 2 minutes. Okay, so without delay, let's get started in your code and code nahi project. Okay, and today we'll see three main free website that provide free hosting with your SSL and your domain. Okay, so without delay, let's get started. So without delay, let's get started with your code. Okay, so first of all, open your GitHub account where you add your project. Okay, so first of all, open your GitHub account and log in, and go on your repository. I'll click on repository. Okay, and here you can see my all project are here. Okay, so I'll click on budgetbody.ai. Okay, so open your project. Okay, so first of all, add your project to your GitHub repository, then open Vercel and import and deploy it. Okay, so today in video we will see how you can upload your backend project. Okay, and also we will integrate all APIs keys you all cover. Okay, so I'll open my VS code for your preference. So I'll open VS code. Okay, so here you can see my VS code are open. Now I'll open my folder. Okay, here you can see budgetbody.ai. So select and click on. Here you can see my project are open, and here you can see all my .env file like database URL, direct URL, and next public means this is a Clerk API keys that help to authenticate the my project. Okay, and Gemini API key recent basically used for sending a mail in React. Okay, and this is a RZ. Okay, so now this is my full stack project integrated backend. I'll using PostgreSQL Prisma. Okay, so I'll go on my GitHub and go on now Vercel. So I'll open my Vercel account. So go on vercel.com. Okay, and login simply login with your GitHub account. Okay, so login your GitHub account. Okay, after you log in on Vercel, here you can see the dashboard of Vercel. So simply click on this add new account. Okay, so network issue. Just wait a second. Okay, so click on add new, and here you can see all the, I'll zoom it. Okay, so project domain store and integration. So simply click on project and zoom out it. Okay, and here you can see the all the repo in your git repository. So I'll click on budgetbody.ai and click import, and here you can see all the details. Okay, and here you can see build and output setting, environment variable. Okay, the most important thing in this video. So simply I'll go on my VS Code, and here you can see I'll copy my .env secrets and go on my Vercel, and click on environment variable, click on example, and press control V, and here you can see all my secret keys are imported here, and the first example you hide it. Okay, so now my all the environment variable are set. Okay, so this is called backend setup. Okay, so if your project are backend related, and if you are using any API keys and database URL, like I am using Prisma and PostgreSQL, so I'll import in .env file the link of PostgreSQL. Okay, so now click on build and output setting. So if you build in React, you know the installment process. So here you can see, I'll zoom it, install command. Okay, so I'll here give the install command that's able to install my all backend dependencies. Okay, so npm install hyphen legacy hyphen peer hyphen deps. Okay, so this is my backend installment dependency that help it to run my project. Okay, so now simply go on it and click on deploy. Okay, click on deploy, and here you can see deployment process are start. Okay, here you can see the logs are building. After deployment process is done, here you can see the dashboard. Okay, and all the, if you face any error, it show on the dashboard. Okay, if you face any error, please comment, and also connect with my Topment account. I'll attach in the description. Okay, and I'll give the reply in 1 days. Okay, so here you can see all the details, and here you can see the visit button. Okay, so now click on this, and boom, here you can see it's redirect me to my project. So let's, okay, that's awesome. It's redirect me to my project. Okay, and here you can see the my all login dependencies. Okay, so my project are running well. Okay, so now let's see it's working or not. So if I click on add transaction, let's see what's happened. Okay, so it's working now. Okay, so that's working good, and here you can see budget body AI kappa Vercel.app. So it's give me a domain name. Okay, so simply I close it, and now the second deployment process are netlify.com. So I'll go on netlify.com. So go on netlify.com and log in with your GitHub account, and here you can see the open project section. Here you can see add new project. Okay, so I'll click on this and click on deploy manually, and here you can see drag and drop your folder here. Okay, so if I click 1 second, I'll go my folder. Okay, and I go to desktop, and just wait, I'll find my project here. Project. Okay, So wait, now open your project and click on this, and 1 second, drag it and drop it into netlify.com, and here you can see it's start uploading my project. And here you can see just 2 second it's deploy it. Okay, it's not give any error, so I'll click on open deployment, and here you can see, boom, my project are already done. Okay, okay, that's awesome. Okay, my project are working well. Here you can see animation, and all the functionality are looking great. Okay, so that is the second process to upload your project. Here you can see, come on this. Okay, and click on project configuration. Okay, and click on project details, and here you can see change the project name. Okay, so click on project name, and remove this all, and write your custom domain, like this is my club project. Okay, so I'll write on stop igniters, sorry, igniters club. Okay, and click on save, and it's saving my project. And now here you can see it's give a link. Now click, and here you can see, boom, unstop igniters club.netlify.app. This is the simple way. That's without wasting your money, your custom domain are ready. Okay, so okay, my project now, just wait a second, it's okay, that's working well. Okay, okay, so this is a second process of uploading this project. And if you want to change anything in this project, so click on deploy. Okay, and scroll down, here you can see deploy, need update your project, drag and drop your project. So if you want, click on this and update your project here. Okay, so this is our second process. And now the third process is GitHub pages. So now let's see this. So come on this GitHub, click on the setting button. Okay, okay, click on setting button, and here you can see the page button. Okay, so click on page, and here you can see the deploy from a branch. Click on this and select your branch. Sorry, this is not a way. Here you can see the branch name. Here you can see my branch name is master. Click on this, and it's already set. So I'll go to my profile and change it. So I'll, for demo purpose, I'll open this portfolio. Okay, and now go for settings, and go for, you can see here, pages. Click on pages, and now here you can see the none. In branch section you can see none. Click on this and click on main and click on save. Okay, it's save. So GitHub pages, so source save. Click on action button, and here you can see pages build and deployment. So click on this, and here you can see all the process are started. Okay, so just wait and see the process. So now deployment process are successful. So click on this link, and this is my backend project, so this is not taken. Okay, so that's the way to create a project and deploy on it. Okay, actually in GitHub you simply run means deploy your only front end project. if मतलब आप बैकएंड भी कर सकते हैं, बट इसका लंबा थोड़ा प्रोसेस हो जाता है. ठीक है, so this is the all process you need to deployment. Okay, if the video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe this video. And if you face any doubt and error, please comment on this, and also connect me on topmet.io. Okay, so thanks for watching again. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग, कीप डूइंग योर बेस्ट. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.